The third cranial nerve is the oculomotor nerve, and in terms of location, we'll find it extending from the midbrain towards a majority of the external eye or ocular muscles. In terms of its type, it primarily involves a motor response, and this begins to make sense when we consider that its function is to participate in eye movements, that it also regulates the size of our pupils, and that it's responsible for accommodation and proprioception. Now, accommodation is a process that occurs on the inside of the eye. Essentially, it's the process of your lens changing shape, and this is helpful to moderate how the light being brought into the eye is projected onto the retina. The other term I mentioned here that might also need some clarification is proprioception, which in this context represents the fact that we're receiving visual stimuli to help us understand where we are and how we decide to interact with our environment. And in terms of assessing this cranial nerve and its function, there are a number of things that we can do. We can assess whether or not someone's pupils are equal in size. We can also determine if both pupils are round and how they react to light and accommodation. Also, we can assess how well their eyes track to follow a given movement.